Hey you, Todd Shelnut here, CFI Pro Courses. Well, I'm here to talk with you today about something that's very personal to me. And I want to address this directly to you, my listener, my YouTuber, my patron. And I want to talk to you about how things are going to be from this point going forward. You know, I just got off of work today, working with clients throughout the day, talking with examiners throughout the day, building course content throughout the day. This is what I do for a living. And I found that after I get off of work and I start to try to put some of this content together, that a lot of the times my mind's just not with it. And I get a little bit tired and I just want to go sit in the recliner. But the reason why that is because I do spend a lot of time doing editing. I spend a lot of time fixing my background here that you see, doing a lot of things to my home recording office where I try to make this content a specific way. But I'm here to tell you today that I'm going to be changing the way that I operate. And for me, it makes me feel a lot better. And I hopefully for you as the listener, as the viewer, it's going to make you feel better. What I can tell you is that what I've been doing in the past, the way I've been trying to evolve, it's just not me. It's just not Todd. If you've ever received instruction from me in person, you'll know that I'm a different person on YouTube than I am in real life. And I just get to ask myself these questions. I'm like, why? Why am I trying to put on the air for this? I'm not sure why I'm trying to do that. So what I want to do is I want to tell you that I'm getting ready to change the way that I broadcast this information. And a couple of things that you're going to see is the fact that I'm not going to do a large amount of editing. I'm going to put it out there exactly how I am, how Todd is. And Todd is unedited. And I really think that you're going to get a better product when I'm not spending 10 minutes recording and 3 days editing. So I'd like to be able to give you exactly what you want for what you need. Do you care about all of this going on? If I can help you be a better pilot or a better flight instructor, well, I don't think you do. And I'm here to tell you that this is what you're going to get from here on out. And I hopefully that this pure Todd or Todd Talk, that's what I think I may call it. I'm hoping that this is going to better suit you for your needs. And that I'll be just like I'm sitting across the table from you, explaining to you how things work. So as I start to branch into this new way of recording and putting things together, it's going to be more of a chunking. So I'm going to divide my videos up into a smaller time frame, and I'm going to be able to label those better so you can find very specific information instead of having to look at a longer dialogue. I just don't have the time to edit that. And I don't think you, as the overall end receiver, are getting the best quality of me because I'm trying to spend so much time doing this other stuff, and it's just not me. So I hope that as this new stuff rolls out, you see, I'm not even going to edit that out. As this new stuff rolls out in August, I really hope that you are going to benefit from it more than you benefited from stuff in the past. And I'm going to try to get back to some of my old school ways and some of my first FOIS videos to try to give you a little bit more of that Todd Talk. Thank you very much for being a loyal YouTuber or patron or podcast listener, whatever you've been doing for me. I really appreciate all of that. And I'm telling you, I'm about to turn this up several notches. And it's all because of you getting me to that subscriber level in which I realize that people are actually listening to what's going on. I'm Todd Shelnut with CFI Pro Courses, and I'm here for you. And if you need anything, all you've got to do is reach out to me. I'm your personal flight instructor and CFI instructor for what you need to advance in your career. Thanks so much. I look forward to seeing you all throughout all the exciting stuff coming over the next quarter. See ya.